All right, everybody, March is Colon Cancer Awareness Month, and Dr. Ravi Taha is here from Trident Health to discuss and tell you what you need to know to be safe. Doctor, thank you so much for taking the time being on the program.
Thank you for having me.
We do appreciate it. Colon cancer, obviously, is a very, very serious thing, and this is a time where we want people to know the risk and know that there are procedures out there that could potentially save their lives. So who is most at risk for colon cancer?
Well, anybody in the United States who's 50 and above should get a screening colonoscopy, and that's because the risk goes up higher with age. The older we get, the higher our risk of getting colon cancer. So the current recommendation is for anybody who's 50 should get a screening colonoscopy or at least screened some way for colon cancer. Now, in African Americans, however, it is 45, and that's due to the higher risk of a higher incidence of colon cancer at a younger age. In people who have a family history of colon cancer, and that's an exception, in first-degree relatives, father, mother, brother, sister, they should get screened around 10 years younger than that age. So if your father had it at 50, you should be getting it at 40, and do not wait till 50 as it may be too late.
And this can really, it can save your life. As you said, it might be too late. Getting this simple screening, it really is the key to detection, which could lead to a better treatment, a better prognosis.
Absolutely. It is proven that colonoscopies do save lives. And if this year alone in the United States, 50,000 people are expected, unfortunately, to die of colon cancer.
Wow.
But half of those lives would have been saved if everyone was screened for colon cancer in using an approved or a screening method, especially a colonoscopy.
And that's the thing. A lot of people might be embarrassed. A lot of people might be scared. There's a lot of fear that's involved in this procedure. But as a doctor, you can kind of downplay that a little bit because it's really not that bad. And there's been a lot of advancements recently that make it a little less more uncomfortable.
That is correct. The worst part about a colonoscopy, John, nowadays is actually the day before the colonoscopy.
Yeah.
That's what most people complain about because you cannot eat that day. You'll be only on clear liquids, and you'll be getting the preparation to clean you out. That's what most people complain about. The actual procedure, most patients don't feel much, don't remember much. It's a short 30-minute procedure, and it is a low-risk procedure. The chances of a serious complication are actually very low with the colonoscopy.
And you're under an anesthetic, correct? So really, you're not going to feel any pain.
Absolutely. You'll be sedated. Most patients do great.
And you can get these done at a lot of different places. And again, you have to make an appointment to do that. So how can people get in contact with you and make sure that they get this life-saving procedure?
I'll be happy to see any of our audience at our office in North Charleston. Our phone number is 576-0700. And we'll take care of them.
And Dr. what are some of the symptoms? I mean, people right now, again, if you reach that age, you should get checked and you should get screened each and every year. Is there something, a pain, a feeling that people need to be on the lookout for that say, you know what, I might need this procedure sooner?
That's an excellent question, John. Anyone who has rectal bleeding without an obvious cause, anyone who's losing weight and has not had a screening colonoscopy done yet, anybody who has constipation that is new and it's not something they've had for many years, or anybody with a family history of colon cancer should go see their doctor and get screened with a colonoscopy.
Great advice right there. You can call the number on your screen or the website. We're going to put that right up right now. That's Trident Health. You can call them at that number, check out that website, and make sure that you go and get this life-saving test because, again, it could be the difference between life and death and treatment for colon cancer if it comes down to that. You need to start it as soon as you can, so this is the way to do it, and make sure you jump on that quickly. Dr. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for
really
having
do
me.
appreciate you coming and giving us great advice.
Thank you, I
right there.
appreciate it.
All right, much more Low Country Live after the break. Make sure you stick around.